Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Python 12. Today I came up with a new solution for the problem too many re-renders. React limits the number of renders to prevent an infinite loop. This particular error caused during the compilation because that particular compiler may that means may assume like during compilation it assumes like uh, that particular calling of function or anything that may cause re-render rendering again and again, so then it detect it and it will show this type of error. So let's get into the solution. So here I have a small component that is infinite issue, and here I have one button and one dialog component. Let's get into the view how it looks like. Yeah, here it looks like this. Wait, I need to rerun this. Now it looks like this, and when I click on this button I am getting this dialog. On clicking this disagree or agree, that particular dialog will close. So when it comes to code, here we have a function handle close that is used to close that particular dialog, and here we have open state, and we used that open state in dialog. And on close, that means on closing event, it will call this handle close event. And here we also have two buttons like disagree and agree. On clicking of these two buttons, we are calling this handle close function. So let's say if I, instead of passing that handle close name on click event, if I pass directly function call to that particular type of event, let's see what will happen. Here I'll get the error because during compilation Babel thinks like here uh, we are calling function directly on click event. So it thought like it thinks like it may happen re-render again and again. But here on calling of handle close, we are setting the open state to false only. That means here initially we have false and we are setting up false only. So even here state is also not changing and rendering also not will happen. But during compilation it will think like on click event there is some function calling happen, and this function calling may happen re-render. So that's why it will show that particular type of error. So we need to go through the code and we need to remove the automatic function calling on any events. Let's say here we have this particular type of event. Here we are not calling. Here also we have on click event, but here also we are not calling. Here also we have click event, but here we are calling that function. Instead of passing that name, we are calling that function. So let's remove that and let's go to the view. Now the error got disappeared, and on clicking of this button we are getting dialog. So that's the solution. So whenever we are writing code, we need to take care of these things like calling of function automatically on any events. We need to avoid the calling of automatic function calling on any event. So that is the solution guys. Thank you, bye bye.